Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can disable comments on your WordPress website. Basically from this to this. Let's get started. So we are already logged into our WordPress site. To disable comments, you can go to Settings and go to Discussions. Here you will find lots of options. But to disable comments, you should untick this option Allow people to submit comments on new posts. Please note, this will disable comments only on new posts. Anyway, untick this. And save changes. So this will disable comments on new posts. But if you have older posts and want to disable comments on them, you can use custom codes. Let me open posts. I will quickly preview these old posts. So here you can add comments. Let me open this in incognito mode. Now I want to disable comments for older posts. To do that, let me go to the dashboard. Go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions, scroll down, and we will use some custom codes here. Here is the code to disable comments. Copy this code and paste it here. And update file. This is done. Let me open this page in a new tab. As you can see, comments are closed. Basically, we changed this to this. Thank you very much.